my son said, Dad, hey, let's experiment with some fried ribs. I said, what you want to do? So we went and got some baby back pork ribs. These are the tender ones. This the pork loin baby backs. And he said, hey, let's crumble up some VooDoo chips and batter it on this on these ribs. I didn't think it was a good idea, but he said, hey, we got to experiment. So what we did, we crushed up some VooDoo chips. And what we did at first, we tried a dry rub. That didn't work. So we had to get an egg and make a batter. So we took that VooDoo chips and we put a little flour in it. And we didn't put no salt or pepper or anything. He was thinking maybe the VooDoo chips would give it flavor. So I said, well, let's try it. It ain't gonna hurt to try. So the dry batter didn't work, so we had to get an egg and whip it up and batter it with an egg to get the flour and the VooDoo chips to stick. We also tried some salt and vinegar. So as you can see, we dipping it here in this VooDoo chips and flour. And it's sticking okay, but not as good as, I don't like batter anyway. But this is for his experiment. So as you can see, we got it battered up. And we did just a couple of ribs. And we set the temperature at 350 and we cooked them for about 10 minutes, just like you frying chicken. And after 10 minutes, we took them out. Oh, it looks pretty. I said, wow. Just wondering what it's gonna taste like. So we pulling it out. And as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in on this so you can have a look at this beautiful looking baby back rib. And it looks good. But I'm doing a voiceover. I must tell you, looks can be deceiving. And once you put this batter on, it didn't taste like anything. So it was just like eating meat without any seasoning. So it was an experiment and we experienced it. So we had to put some barbecue sauce on it to give it some flavor. So if you guys have any ideas, let us know and we'll give it a try. Thank you and have a great one.